Hey guys, it's Rex. Rex Works Outdoors. Today we're building a land plane for my Kymron mini skid. So today we're going to be setting up and using the Arccaptain MiG 145 Pro Flux Core. It is a 110 MiG unit. So in a previous video I set the machine up. I did a walk around of everything that the machine comes with. I did a few tack welds with the machine just to kind of see how it worked a little bit. And today I'm setting it back up and I'm actually going to be building a land plane for my Kymron mini skid. So I had a buddy that's got a plasma table. I sent him the drawings of what I wanted my side plates to look like. That's my side plates. I've got my side plates. I've got this is my attachment plate for my mini skid. I've got some angle iron, and then over here I've got some scrap that I got from my brother-in-law. I'm going to cut these rectangular tubes off and use them. We're going to build a land plane, so stick around. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm knocking the surface rust off of these. Also knocking off the slag from whenever they were lasered on the bottom side. You can see the slag sticking out off of that side. It's not imperative, I don't think. I'm not a fabricator. I just make stuff up as I go, but I want it to look a little bit better, so I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Take 5 minutes to clean it up and not have to worry about it later. Alright guys, so I'm going to explain to you what I've done so far. So I had that scrap metal. I cut these braces here. I cut them out, and these are my angles. I tack welded them on there where I wanted them, and this is the adapter plate to go to my mini skid steer. I've got it centered up, and I've got it about, I want to go about 1 inch top and bottom, so I can weld all the way around it, kind of stiffen it up a little bit. So I didn't have any plans. I'm just winging this. I just kind of looked at a couple of them online, and I'm like, I can build that. Whether it's right, wrong, or indifferent, I'm still going to build it. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going to make it work based off of what I think I want to do. So these are my back braces, and I'm going to attach angles for that right here that will run across the other side. That'll be what is actually pushing on the dirt or the gravel or whatever I'm moving around. So stick around. I want to show you these welds. I'm not a welder by any means. I'm not a fabricator. I know a real welder would get on here and possibly just eat me alive as to what I'm doing, but this little Arccaptain MiG 145, it's flux core, it's a 110. This little booger's laying down some pretty decent tacks. I'm pretty happy with it. Now I will, after I tack everything down, I'll go back and I'll do a full bead weld all the way around it, and I don't see any issues with this at this point, because this isn't lifting, it's just going to be pushing. It's going to be, there's not going to be any lifting weight on it. It's just going to be pushing and dragging. So I think this little booger will handle it just fine. Alright guys, so I've got some tack welds all the way on all sides on this thing. Once again, I am not a welder, but if you're looking to buy a machine, an affordable machine that you can pick up, you don't have to have gas, you only have to have 110 to run this thing. You can run it out of most outlets, most 20-30 amp outlets. And I'm building a attachment for a mini skid steer out of it. At the time, right now, I think this thing it's under $200. You can pick it up, instantly start welding. I'm tickled with this thing so far. Arccaptain MiG 145 Pro Flux Core welder. Alright guys, so when you screw up, you gotta admit it. And I screwed up. I didn't measure anything. I didn't plan this out. I'm just kind of winging it. And like I told you a while ago, I got this an old road grader plate. I got it from one of our local governments that they got rid of this particular machine, and they had a couple of these plates they were gonna get rid of, and I got them from their scrap pile. And the idea was to go out past this just a little bit. This is going to be my cutting edge, and then in here I'll have a couple pieces of angle iron that I'll turn face up to be able to push and drag. This is just going to be my cutting edge. I thought, what, I've seen some high-end land planes that have a cutting edge on the front. I'm like, heck, this ought to work. Well, since I used scrap up here on this portion up here, I thought that this was longer than it was. Well, it's not. I'm about 1.5 inches short. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to weld it on one side, and I'm going to pull it over. It really don't matter. All it's doing is pushing dirt and pulling dirt. So you might be able to tell a little bit, but it's not going to affect the way it works. So stick around. Alright guys, we got her strapped, welded on one side, and we got it strapped on the other. It's got a little bit of flare, but not enough that it's going to bother me. Stick around. Alright guys, so we got it tack welded on this side, and I've got a couple ratchet straps going to the other side, pulling it tight, and we've got the gap closed. It does have a little bit of bow on the bottom, but it ain't ever gonna be seen. It's for, like I said, for pushing dirt. Stick around. Kind of hard to tell now, but now I'm starting to put my angles in here. I'll weld it to the back side here. Here's another one I've got set, just kind of setting in place, and I'll put one more just because I've got plenty. That way it'll stiffen everything up a little bit, and plus it'll help distribute the dirt or gravel or whatever I happen to be using at the time. It'll help distribute that stuff out a little bit better. Stick around. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I'm gonna walk you around real quick what I did. I built a land plane for my mini skid. I used the Arccaptain MiG 145 Pro flux core. This does lift TIG and DC stick also. It's a 110 unit. Dude, this little thing is amazing. I didn't think I would ever like a 110 unit. I've never owned one, but I got this sent to me from Arccaptain, and I am extremely impressed. I don't like flux core. I've never been worth a squat at it, but man, it is so handy to be able to just take out on a job site and be able to do what you need to do. Now, I am going to go back and weld all of this stuff solid. I'm running out of daylight, and I've got other commitments I got to deal with, but this booger is built together. It is, I think it's going to be a great little attachment for my machine, and it was all done with the Arccaptain MiG 145 Pro. So if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll put links to other videos up in the corner. Make sure you check them out. This is Rex with Rex Works Outdoors. I'll see you on the next one. So, but before I go, I want to say, grandsons, Pop Q loves you. Hope you're having a good day.